If you're in the market for a new Jeep that you can't find anywhere else on any other lot, come check out this 2022 Unlimited Sport with a 3.6 liter V6 24 valve engine that is also equipped with a backup camera system. The removable doors and cloth interior make for a comfortable ride on those back roads. The interior of this Jeep will make it comfortable for you on those bumpy back roads and those trails. The instrument cluster is easy to read with hand controls on the steering wheel, so you don't have to take your eyes off of the road. The large touchscreen radio with backup camera, all within an arm's reach. The temperature controls and your power output are easily accessible also, with the manual transmission and the manual transfer case, making your adventure even more fun. There is no shortage of room when it comes to the back seat, with plenty of legroom and headroom, all with the music pumping out of the roll bar sound bar. And even after all that, you still have plenty of cargo space to haul all your gear on your back road and trail adventures. Come down and check us out at Next Level Auto Sales.